Today we talk about how can you change country on your Champions League app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. Then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on account settings. So then you come to next here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You come here to country in duration here, click on it. So then here can you change your country in this list on your Champions League app. So that's all you have to do to change your country here. I wish now you are get it, that's all. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.